Concept Hospital. We are a 360-degree complete wellness and healthcare and obesity and weight care management hospital. We are also a center of excellence for such thing. Here, we take care of the patient completely. When somebody comes with a weight-related problem or obesity-related problem, which can be issues like type 2 diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol, sleep apnea, joint problems, knee pains, infertility, PCOD, multiple conditions. A lot of conditions are occurring because of obesity today. All these conditions are addressed under single roof. Along with that, we also have some feel-good factors. We also offer some cosmetic dermatology, cosmetic dentistry, relaxation therapy, psychiatry and psychology support. There are many supporting fields that we host under one roof to give a complete care to a person who comes into our facility. As a center of excellence, we are not only into surgeries, we are also into teaching our technology and our technique and our skills to the next surgeons and create a pool of well-trained surgeons that will then go on to serve our country in the similar fields. We are also into research because we believe prevention is better than cure. We are also participating in multiple levels of research to understand and also to come up with methods that may be one day be able to control this obesity without surgical aspect. So this is what we have in future. Also, we are soon going to be multi-centric, many centers across not only Andhra Pradesh, also throughout the country. That is our goal and that is our vision.
What are the price in the surgery?
The price of the cost of these surgeries ranges from 1 lakh to 3.5 lakhs based on what kind of procedure we are offering. Essentially, the cost of the procedure is defined by the material that is required in each procedure. Also, the patient themselves. Certain patients have some bigger and better requirements wherein you have to use alternate methods, alternate technology or alternate materials. So the cost changes because of that. But predominantly, the run-of-the-mill procedures that will apply to almost 95% of the population can be offered from 1.5 to 2 lakhs, at the most 2.5 lakhs it can be completed. Being a high volume center in Andhra Pradesh today, probably the largest volume center today for bariatric surgery, we are able to offer at reduced cost compared to many other centers while maintaining the same quality and offering the highest international standards. So less cost doesn't mean less quality. It's actually better quality delivered at a reduced cost.
Any age limits? Age limits?
The bariatric surgery is mainly prescribed for people between ages 18 to 65, most of the adult life. But then there are also variations, exceptions. Recently we have taken care of a 16-year-old kid who was 149 kilos. So that is a lot of weight for a single person to carry. At the same time, we have taken care of people not as old as Dr. Layani, but we have taken care of up to 79 years old. Again, they're in a wonderful functional status, great health, they're just overweight and they wanted to go out and play with their grandchildren and be able to play around and enjoy their remaining life. So they wanted to lose weight. So in those situations, we have done that. There are many people in many walks of life, which includes maybe a lady who wants to get pregnant who is suffering with infertility because of obesity, or maybe a busy employee who is just sitting in front of the computer, can't get out of the office but then gaining weight, or could be a father of a young lady who wants to get married but she's not getting good matches because of her excess weight, or a business traveler who is unable to sit in that flight seat or sit in that movie theater seat because of his obesity. All these people from all walks of life are a wonderful candidates for these kind of procedures. And the people who have other conditions like diabetes and blood pressure and cholesterol, these procedures are so wonderful. Not only do they reduce the weight, they also take away all these conditions. So all in all, the bariatric surgery is a wonderful thing. It needs to be embraced. And there are always doubts and fears about unknown. A lot of people who don't know the complete detail about these procedures, they're usually fearful. And the neighbors or the friends, they'll say, why do you need a surgery? But the thing is, the benefit, the amount of improvement in their health, only the person who had gone through these procedures can really appreciate it and enjoy it. So these procedures are good, and they are giving us very wonderful results in terms of obesity reduction and healthcare.
Okay, how much time you will take after this surgery?
Typically the surgical procedures based on the procedure, can take it from 15 minutes to 1.5 hours. The weight loss again changes with procedure to procedure. There are procedures which can help you lose 20 kilos up to 100 kilos. And the weight loss happens gradually over next few months. Typically, the first month alone, we have seen patients lose up to 10-15 kilos. And then every month thereafter, they lose 4 to 5 kilos every month.
If any side effects, it will have some.
Very minimal side effects. Once upon a time, about 20 years ago, when these procedures started brand new, then they used to see many more complications. Today, the complication rate is less than 0.1%, is actually equal to or less than a typical gallbladder surgery. So there's nothing much to worry about.